How you doing, guys? This is Alex from Village John Green. We have here is a job that we're using a PowerWorks commercial unit, power factor correction, PFC. And this job has about 30 roof fans, exhaust fans, and their power factor is really, really low, like 0.3, 0.4. So we installed a one of the largest units that they have. As you can see up there, single units. Installed that. Came out of the panel. You have a separate main there for it, and then we came off the main lugs. And these are all the breakers for the exhaust fan. I want to show you right now. As you can see, the main is off. The main for the unit. And my power factor is reading 0.39A, 0.4, keeps flopping back and forth. Now watch when I turn this on, which is the PowerWorks unit up there. Watch what happens to the power factor. Jumps to 7.76, almost 0.77. That's how much more. They even need more than this, but that's as large of a unit that I could put as a single unit. I would have to put 2 units, but this should be enough to help the motors last longer, run cooler, and save them energy, a lot of energy. Their electric bill should drop drastically. So I'm going to shut it off, and you can see it go back to 0.3, 0.4. So that's your proof that power factor correction does work. And for those people who say it doesn't work, it was not installed properly or designed properly. Turning it back on, 0.77, 0.76. And mind you, there's about about 15 large units and about 20 small units or exhaust fans on the roof of this building. This is a complex in the Bronx, and those fans run all day long. Some of them have a timer that's shut off and on. That's your baby right there. It's a big one. Now I moved the tester onto a different phase, which shows same thing, 0.3, 0.4. Now this one's jumping up to 0.84. That's a little better than the other phase. Now we're going to try the other phase. Let me shut this off. Go back down to 0.414. Now we'll move it to the other phase, the third one. Okay, so now we got it on the blue phase, last phase, the test. And we're reading here 0.41. And it's on 0.86. The center phase was the only one that was just slightly less than the 2 outer phases. With the 2 outer phases were in 0.84, 0.85, 0.86. The center on 0.76. It's really, really close. And that's about it. So it's your power factor unit from PowerWorks. And they also have Search and Spike protection. This is just a power factor correction because the customer didn't want to go for the extra expense. Really, this is all you really needed, just to correct the power factor. All right, see you guys. Thanks for watching.